Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. Stay with me. Let me show you how I made this nice and lovely coconut flakes that you can use for so many things. You can eat this as snack. You can add it to your bakings, toppings for your smoothies and your cereals. You can also add it in your coconut rice. You can use coconut chips or coconut flakes for so many things. Here I have 3 coconuts, and I will start by breaking and taking out the coconut flesh from the coconut shell. My sister wanted the coconut water, so she had to open up the eye of the coconut to take out the water first before breaking it. The coconut water is very healthy and good. And here we have the coconut. One of the coconuts wasn't good, so here we have 2 coconuts. And I've gone ahead to wash them very well. The next thing we're going to do now is to grate it. You can remove the skin if you want to, but I'm not removing the skin of the coconut. We're grating it that way. And here is the grater I'll be using. The grater has different shapes and sizes. You can use any shape or size that you want. I'm going for the smaller size and the shape of it. So this is just how I'm going to do it. And as you're grating this, you have to be careful of your fingers. If you have anything you can wear to protect your fingers, do that please. You can also use knife to cut this in a tiny shapes or form. You can also use your food processor. This is what I have, and this is how it's going to be. I also have different coconut chips or coconut flakes videos in my channel. You can check that out too and choose the one you like more. And here I'm done grating the 2 coconuts. So let's get to the next step. I will transfer the grated coconut into my oven tray or baking tray. Now make sure to spread them very well in the tray. I divided this into 2 because it's much. It cannot dry well if I leave it in one tray. So I have it in 2 trays. I'm going to dry this in my oven with low heat or temperature. You can also dry this under the sun. You can also use your stove for this, but you have to be very watchful so that it doesn't get burnt. Again, this is unsweetened. I did not add sugar to this. You cannot add your own sugar if you want a sweetened coconut flakes. This is unsweetened so that you can use it for any recipe you want. And after about 3 hours, we have our coconut flakes well dried and also sweet and crunchy. You can store this in your airtight container or in your Ziploc bag. You can also do this for sale. In fact, I was dividing it to check how much you can give me. Coconut chips or coconut flakes is very easy to make. You can see that for yourself, but very expensive to buy from the store. So choose wisely. I'll be storing mine in my Ziploc bag, and this can last for as long as 6 months and even more, as long as you store it very well. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.